How to speed up animations on older iPhones. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can speed up animations on older iPhone models. The iPhone is one of the best-selling phone brands. Many phones are used for many years before they are replaced. As a consequence of this, phones become older and deliver weaker performance, which results in slower animations. Some people simply don't mind this and ignore it. However, if you are one of those people who are annoyed by this and do not want to change your phone, here is a solution for you. Open the settings on your phone. When the settings open, find the accessibility section and tap on it. In this section, a large number of useful functions will be opened, of which we need the motion section. Tap on it. The general one that is needed on M is the first one in the list and is called Reduce Motion. Just tap on the switch on the right and that's it. Now try to return to the home screen. As you can see, the animation has changed and has become fast. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.